Well, hello there. I'm Pete LaFrance, the old Growler. Welcome to Meeting Expectations. What I do here is every afternoon around 2:30, I kick back, grab myself a can of beer or a bottle of beer. Sometimes a wine or a spirit might drop by. We're all friends in fermentation. I take a look at the label, take the time to read everything on the label, check out the artwork, see what they're trying to sell me, and crack it open and see if it meets expectations. Well, of course, I rate the beers. 1 for just showing up, 3 for meeting expectations, and 5, it's an elixir of the gods. First off though, always serve the beer at the correct temperature. Lagers between 36 and 45 degrees Fahrenheit, and ales between 50 and 55 degrees Fahrenheit. I have my trusty thermal pin here, that way I can make sure the temperature is exact. Also, I do all of my tastings in the same style of glassware. That way nobody has a leg up as far as clarity or aromatics. All right, what do we have today? Today we've got an old favorite here, Rolling Rock. Yeah, Rolling Rock Extra Pale. And yeah, that's what they call it, Rolling Rock Extra Pale. To honor the tradition of this great brand, we quote from the original pledge of quality. From the glass-lined tanks of Old Latrobe, we tender this premium beer for your enjoyment as a tribute to your good taste. It comes from the mountain springs to you. 33. All right. Also established 1939, Latrobe Brewing Company. All right. Well, it's a premium beer. Rolling Rock premium beer. Okay, what am I expecting? Well, I've had Rolling Rock before. It's a light-bodied, refreshing, crisp beer, and well, that would make it meet expectations, wouldn't it? Let's crack it open and see if it does. Oh yeah, crystal clear, light color to it. All right. And well, the beer fridge is set mainly for ales, so this comes up at 48 degrees, so it's a little bit warm for a lager, but that just means we might miss a little bit of the flavors and the aromatics. Well, as I say, this looks like an American lager. Let's see if it tastes like one. Cheers. Yeah, I took 2 sips. The reason I do that is because, as I say, it's 2:30 in the afternoon. My taste buds are out for siesta. They have to be woke. Well, they're woke now. Let's go in for a nosedive. Well, not much of anything there. Let's see what the taste buds have to say. There's just a whisper of both the hops and the grain. This is, without a doubt, a refreshing beer. There is no doubt about that. It's a well-made beer. That's no doubt about that. Okay, so, did it meet expectations? Yes, it did. Did it exceed expectations? Not really. So I'm going to give it a 3. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you miss any of our presentations. A thumbs up would be great, share us with your friends, and a comment would be really appreciated. I'm Pete LaFrance, the old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.